This tutorial review will show you how to change iPhone keyboard and set a custom keyboard on iPhone. You can turn typing features such as spell checking on or off and add keyboards for writing in different languages and change the layout of your on-screen or wireless keyboard. If you add keyboards for other languages, you can type in two languages without having to switch between keyboards. Your keyboard automatically switches between the two languages you use the most often. To change your keyboard, tap and hold on this icon at the bottom left corner. And now you can change your keyboard position from here. And to add a custom or new keyboard, tap on keyboard settings, tap on keyboards, add new keyboard, and now you can select a new language keyboard from this list. Then I'm going to opening my keyboard again, tapping on this icon at the bottom left corner, and as you can see, a new keyboard has been added here. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.